Hi, I'm Cindy Demers. I am the volunteer coordinator with Shining Hope Farms. We are a nonprofit therapeutic riding stable who service clients with disabilities. Some of the challenges that I face in the role of volunteer coordinator is trying to keep track of all of the volunteers across all 3 farms. We have different needs at each farm, so I need to adjust the time slots for each one, particularly to what they're servicing that week. SignUpGenius has been really convenient for me so that I can go in and customize for each farm. I love the fact that in addition to my regular weekly sign-up slots for volunteers, I also can send additional messages if needed to communicate to everyone. In addition, we do have fundraising events, so SignUpGenius is crucial and integral to keeping volunteers organized for those as well. SignUpGenius is involved in our day-to-day every week,